The advent of the first AI superintelligence would be a transformative event with profound implications for humanity. Superintelligent AI, which is defined as AI that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects, would bring both unparalleled opportunities and significant challenges. Here are some potential scenarios and considerations for what might come next. 1. Scientific and technological advancements. A superintelligent AI could accelerate scientific and technological progress at an unprecedented rate. It could solve complex problems in fields such as medicine, physics, environmental science, and engineering. For example, AI could help develop new treatments for diseases, create sustainable energy solutions, and advance our understanding of the universe. The potential for breakthroughs in various domains could lead to a new era of innovation and discovery. 2. Economic transformation. The rise of superintelligent AI could revolutionize the global economy. AI-driven automation could enhance productivity and efficiency across industries, leading to significant economic growth. However, this transformation could also disrupt labor markets, as many jobs may become automated. Ensuring a fair and equitable transition to an AI-driven economy would require careful planning, including policies for retraining and supporting displaced workers. 3. Ethical and moral dilemmas. The existence of superintelligent AI would raise profound ethical and moral questions. How should we ensure that AI aligns with human values and goals? Who gets to decide how AI is used and regulated? These questions would necessitate the development of robust ethical guidelines and international cooperation to prevent misuse and ensure the responsible deployment of AI. 4. Governance and control. Ensuring the safe and beneficial use of superintelligent AI would require new governance structures and regulatory frameworks. Policymakers, researchers, and industry leaders would need to collaborate to establish standards and protocols for AI development and deployment. Transparency, accountability, and oversight would be crucial to prevent potential risks and ensure that AI acts in the best interests of humanity. 5. Security and stability. Superintelligent AI could enhance national and global security by improving threat detection, cybersecurity, and defense capabilities. However, it could also pose security risks if used for malicious purposes or if it becomes uncontrollable. Developing robust safety measures and ensuring that AI systems are secure and resilient would be essential to maintaining stability. 6. Human-AI collaboration. Rather than replacing humans, superintelligent AI could become a powerful collaborator, augmenting human capabilities and creativity. AI could assist in decision-making, problem-solving, and innovation, allowing humans to focus on tasks that require empathy, ethical judgment, and emotional intelligence. This symbiotic relationship could lead to a new paradigm of human-AI cooperation. 7. Existential risks. The development of superintelligent AI also carries existential risks. If not properly controlled, AI could act in ways that are harmful or even catastrophic to humanity. Ensuring that AI systems are aligned with human values and implementing rigorous safety protocols are critical to mitigating these risks. Ongoing research in AI safety and alignment is essential to addressing potential existential threats. At conclusion, the emergence of the first AI superintelligence would be a watershed moment in human history, bringing both unprecedented opportunities and significant challenges. By fostering collaboration, ethical considerations, robust governance, and a focus on safety, we can navigate the complexities of this new era and harness the potential of superintelligent AI for the betterment of humanity. The future of AI and its impact on society will depend on the choices we make today and the collective efforts to ensure that AI serves the common good.